Good morning, second graders. How are we doing today?
Great.
That's good to hear. Okay, so today we're going to be learning about estimating. So can someone tell me what estimating might mean? Yes.
Guessing?
Yeah, guessing. So, good job. You're using already what you're learning. So can we read the learning target today as a class?
Estimate the size of an object using the tools given.
So on your desk right now, you guys have rulers. You guys can play around with that for a little bit, kind of like check it out and see what it's like. And do you guys see the numbers that are on here?
Yeah.
You guys notice how some of them are bigger on top, and then the other ones might be a little bit smaller? So on top, we have inches. Can you guys say that with me? Inches. Right. And then on the bottom, we have centimeters. Could you guys say that with me? Centimeters. Right, so there's a difference. When we measure in inches, the centimeters are going to be smaller. All right, so what is something that we can guess or estimate that we might use?
Marker.
So how would we estimate the marker?
What are we estimating?
You can estimate, you can estimate the size. So how big do you think that this marker might be?
6 inches.
6 inches? All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our ruler here and we're going to measure. We always start at the 0 mark, right? So let's just say that's there. And so it's about 4.5 inches. Can you guys say that with me?
4.5 inches.
Good job. So now we're going to flip the ruler. We're going to look at our centimeters. So if we start at 0, do you guys think that this is still going to be 4.5 centimeters?
Mm-hmm.
So what do you guys think that this might be?
10
centimeters. Centimeters? All right. Let's measure that. So it is 12 centimeters. So can you guys say that with me? 12 centimeters. Good job. Okay. What is something else that we can estimate the size of?
The eraser.
The eraser? So which side would we want to estimate the eraser on?
The flat side.
Which one?
That
side. You want to estimate this thing right here? Okay. So what do we want to use? Inches or centimeters? Inches? Okay.
5 inches.
So what do you guys think it's going to be? 5 inches?
5 inches.
All right. Let's see if I can figure out how to use this ruler myself. So we start at the 0. Actually, we were really close. It's almost 5 inches. Yeah. All right. So now you guys, on your worksheet, you guys can estimate any object in the classroom you guys want. So you're going to write it down, and then you're going to say the units you use. So what were the units that we can use here?
Inches.
Or
centimeters.
Right. Okay. And then so you're going to write down your estimated guess, and then you're going to write down your actual measurement. So go ahead and do that for a couple of seconds there. So what are you measuring?
I'm measuring my water bottle.
Okay. What did you think that the estimated size was?
11 inches, or 12 inches.
And then how many inches is it?
11 and a half.
All right. And then what did you measure?
A ruler.
And then how many inches? What was your estimated guess?
10 inches.
Okay, and what was your actual measurement?
12 inches.
All right. So, what is something on a bigger scale that we might estimate? Yeah. We can measure the whiteboard. So we would use the tools that we don't have the tools right now, but another tool that we could use would be a yardstick. And so a yardstick is about two of these or 3 of these put together. Whoa. And that might be a little bit more helpful to measure something like the whiteboard. Because it might take us some time to measure the whiteboard, right, with a ruler. Yeah.
My dad works in construction, and when he has something big he has to measure, he has a tape measure, and it goes up to like 100 feet.
Yeah, so we can use so many tools in the classroom. So we can use a tape measure, we can use a ruler, we can use yardsticks, we can use so many things to measure around the size of anything that we would want. So